What's up guys, this is Techie Champion and this is going to be the fourth and final video on the Packet Tracer Skills Integration Challenge 5.4.1.2 series. So, we went ahead and we configured all of our interfaces here. You should be at 92% completion. If not, go back, make sure that you didn't miss a step. We're nearly done here. So what I'm going to do is verify connectivity to the server. We should at this point be able to ping our server here. So I'm just going to grab the little envelope over here, go to PC1 and then click the server, and the first one typically always fails due to ARP and things like that. It's got to find its way there. We'll do it a couple times. Let's see, hang on. And it's still failing. Sometimes this happens in Packet Tracer. Let's see. There we go. And now it's successful. So you gotta send a few pings across sometimes to get it to work. Typically the first one will always fail due to ARP. PC2 works. PC3 failed. Do it one more time and it works. So all three PCs are able to ping across the network, go across the internet, and receive a response from this server sitting over here on the internet. But we are only at 92%, so let's check and see what we missed here. One thing that it wanted us to do on the switch, which I forgot about, is it wants us to allow only the VLANs that we created across the trunk. So essentially what you can do is tell your trunk port to only allow certain VLANs and block all others. Whoops, here we go, right here. So I'll show you guys how to do that real quick. It's pretty simple. So open up your switch, type enable conft to get to global config, interface G0/1, and that's our trunk port, I believe. Yeah, G0/1. What you're gonna do is type switch port trunk allowed, and you can use the question mark too to help you get through this. If you don't remember exactly what the command is, it'll tell you up here. So see right here, the next thing I can type is native or allowed. So I'm going to do switch port trunk allowed question mark VLAN, and these are the different arguments you can put in. But what I'm going to do is just type in all the VLANs. So I'm going to do 10, comma, 20, comma, 30, comma, 88, comma, and 99. So switch port trunk allowed VLAN 10, 20, 30, 88, and 99. So essentially only these VLANs can travel across our trunk. Any other VLANs will be denied. So you can kind of use that to secure your trunk ports a little better. We are still at 92%, so what I'm going to do is cheat a little bit. I'm going to go over here and check the results, and this will tell you what you missed. It doesn't affect your grade or your score or anything, so don't worry about that. So it says here I'm missing an IP address and a subnet mask. So I got 14 out of 16 for the inner VLAN configuration and 53 out of 61 for the score. You can just exit that out. Let's open up our router here. Get yourself to privilege exec mode, typing enable. We're going to do a little troubleshooting here. So to troubleshoot, you use various show commands. So the first thing I'm going to do is use a show IP interface brief command. Show IP interface brief. And this will show us all of the interfaces and their IP addresses. So let's see here. 172.17.25.2 is good. 17.10.1, 20.1, 30.1, 88. It looks like I forgot to assign the IP address to 88, which was the native VLAN here. So let's just go ahead and go back into that real quick. So get yourself to global config and type interface G0/1.88 and give it the IP address from the table. It's going to be 172.17.88.1 with a /24 subnet mask. Hit enter. And there we go. 100% completion, guys. And that's pretty much how you configure inter VLAN routing. It's really not too hard. It's an essential skill. I can see this being a very essential skill in the field. You need to know how to create these sub interfaces. You need to know how to create these VLANs, get them to talk to each other. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this series. I appreciate all of the positive reinforcement I've been getting from you guys. It means a lot to me. So please like and subscribe to my page, and you know, feel free to leave me some feedback. If there's something that you guys want to learn about, or if you know, if I can help you with it, feel free to ask, and I'll see if it's something that I can help with. Other than that, I'm out of here. You guys have a good night.